Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 8 Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find sounds and vibration. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down to this section where we've got the ringtone and the notification tone. Let's focus on the ringtone. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got some sections. So the vibration, you can customize it here. You can custom the ringtone, so tap on this device, and if you've got something, for example, downloaded from the internet or recorded, and if it is compatible, you will be able to set it as a ringtone. Let's go back. Here we've got also system ringtones, so those which are pre-installed. You do not have to worry about downloading new ones. You can simply choose something from those options. As you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to find something which you like. So let's simply tap on the option, and thanks to it you can listen how it sounds, so you can decide whether you like it or not. So this is how it works. And let's focus maybe on this funk. Let's pretend I want to set it as my ringtone. So just make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.